Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Windows Smart Screen can't be reached right now. So to resolve this problem you can try this method. Search Windows Security and open Windows Security. Now here guys, click on this menu icon. Here click on App and Browser Control. Now here you have to click on Reputation Based Protection Settings. Open it. And here turn on Check Apps and Files. Also turn on Smart Screen for Microsoft Edge. Phishing protection you can turn on, and also guys you can turn on, and this setting is optional, potentially unwanted app blocking. So if you need and you can need to try, so just turn on, and once your need is complete, turn off. And also turn on smart and also turn on Smart Screen for Microsoft Store app. So this is the method and steps guys you can try to resolve and to fix problem. Windows Smart Screen can't be reached. So thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.